fam, this your boy JB, here to give y'all tip number 2 on relationship spiciness for the fellas. Fellas, you ever had your woman so mad at you that she look like she's about to kill you? You might think she's crazy, psychotic, a psychopath, all of the above. But to me, which I'm going to tell you guys, that is golden. You know why? I'm going to tell you why. First things first, ain't nothing beautiful in the world just to throw a woman off completely. Like, make it seem like she bipolar completely. One minute she's mad, the next minute she's just thrown off. It's golden. This is how you do it. Next time you get into an argument, threaten her. Literally, threaten her. Sexually, though. Now, I will give you an example, but I'm not going to show you how I do it. Just be creative. And also, when you're creative with it, that'd be great. Matter of fact, next time you get into an argument, threaten her sexually with your own creative thing, and hit me up in the comment section. See how it goes. If you win, you win. For me, it works almost every time because it throws them off. You'll see what I mean. That's all the tips I have for you today. See y'all guys tomorrow at midnight. Y'all have a nice rest. Take it easy. Be blessed.